Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. My name is Bharat Natrayan and I'm helping multiple developers to build a high performance website with high scalability. Now we are in the third video of the Next.js series. Today we are going to see about the routing in this video. So I'm going to give a basic outline and overview of routing, and I will explain all the routings and different types of routings in Next.js in upcoming videos. Simply router is used to navigate from one page to another page or one component to another component. It helps the user to navigate from one component to another component. So first of all, I'm going to explain about the React router. Next, I will explain about the Next.js routing. Uh, we call every React project as a single page application. So using this single page application is give the huge advantage for the end user. So it will never give the refresh in a page while we navigate from one component to another component. So the get the user can get the excellent user experience. Best example for single page application is email. You can check every time you navigate from one component to another component in email, you will never get the refresh. So you can get the high and very good user experience. Also, some of other examples of Facebook and Instagram. So in React, we can achieve the routing only through third-party libraries. One of the most common library to achieve routing is React Router. So now here the example for the traditional routing and a single page application. Here, whenever the user give the request, he will get the whole page in a, after the refresh of the page. So here, if the end user click in the first image, he requests another page, he will get the whole page as refreshed. If we give another navigation, he will get the another page with the whole page refreshed. In single page application, you can see here only few components will be changed, it will be refreshed. So whole page will never refresh, so user can get the user experience in excellent way. So now I'm going to explain about the React routers, how to use the React routers in the React project. First we have to install the React router library using npm or yarn. Next, we have to configure the route.js file in your project. Next, we have to create a component and specify the path to the component using a router where you want to set the navigation. So, next I'm going to explain about the Next.js route. Route is happen through the file-based system in Next.js. For example, if we here is the page directory. If we if we upload the file into the page directory, it will automatically available for routing. This means the developer no need to configure anything. Zero configuration is needed in Next.js. It is the huge advantage, and it will increase the fast and user experience. Your project will run in very fast. So from this kind of approach, we can easily identify the files For example, the files are arranged in a tree manner. Like example, all the pages are present within the pages directory, so you can easily understand if there is any nested folder. Also you can see the blog within the multiple pages are present here, so you can understand easily your project structure. Also there are multiple routings in a Next.js: normal routing, nested routing, dynamic routing, nested dynamic routing, catch-all routing. Normal the routing is used normally as a navigating tool. Nested routing is we can we can route the nested files. Like for example, here we are using a blog with, if we use any folder within a blog, then we can create a nested routing. I will explain this in future upcoming videos. If you can't understand or if you felt difficult to understand, it is no problem. I will explain in the future videos. Dynamic routing is here we can see the slug.js file. We can achieve dynamic routing through this syntax. Simply we can give any name for the folder, so instead of creating multiple files, you have to create a single file, then you can get the multiple pages. This one is nested dynamic routing, is combination of nested routing and a dynamic routing. Catch-all routing is used to catch whatever the link we have, we can get the proper props or query from the link. So thank you for watching the data hacks. Keep subscribe my YouTube channel to get the regular updates.